Step number one is we directly go to cpalead.com. So this is one of the most popular platform for beginners to start doing CPA affiliate marketing. You guys just simply sign up your account, and this website did not take any approval to get your account approved. Okay, you guys just simply sign up and simply go log in your account. Okay, so I have an account. I'm just directly go to cpalead.com. Once you logged in, you guys see this same page. Okay, and you guys can see here is a lot of people are payouts, so a lot of people are making money here. These are the live recording, you call it, or these guys are literally making money, and these are the payouts of these offers. So there's a lot of offers, so there's a lot of ways to do CPA marketing, but first of all I'm going to show you the easiest and the simplest way. Okay, so you guys can see offers. You guys just simply click this, and now you guys can see scroll down, and these are the most famous offers, to be honest, but we are not promoting this. We are all the time promoting like free gift or something like gift cards or free coupons or make money type of offers, because these kind of offers converts really well. So right now I'm gonna promote an offer which is like, here is the offer, cash for survey, and the average payout you guys getting like 59 cents. Okay, so click this. So remember, we are not selling anything. So the type of this CPA offer, it means if anybody submits the email or if anybody takes the survey, we get 59 cents. Okay, so in this way we guys easily get this, because this is very easy to collect emails or surveys in this method, which I'm going to show you in a second. So here is our affiliate link. You guys first of all copy this and scroll down, and let's see what is more thing about this offer. And here is the offer. Here is the might be landing page. You guys can see earn cash for filling out service. It means if we promote through our affiliate link, this guy or this man go to our offer, they will submit email or take a survey, we get 59 cents, and this guy start doing surveys, and this guy also start making money. This is this kind of offer. Okay, this is like service type of offer. So you guys simply click this and simply cross. So once we select our offer, step number 2 is we go to bit.ly.com, because we want to short our link. Okay, because Facebook does not like these links. Okay, so there you go. I'm just right now call it 1 and cross. You guys just simply click this, copy that link, and step number 3 is we go to facebook.com. In Facebook we gonna post one post. Okay, but remember, before post, you guys must remember, do not use this method with your personal Facebook profile. Make sure you guys must create a different profile for affiliate marketing or CPA type of marketing. Okay, so this is I created an account for my like CPA or affiliate marketing. I am doing affiliate marketing through free traffic method with this Facebook profile. So here is the post which we gonna add post, and I'm gonna show you how you guys can get traffic. So first of all, you guys can see, hey, so first I'm gonna post, and then I'm gonna show you. Okay, so click this, and there you go. So hey, do you want to start a service job and make $1,000 per week? $1,000 per week. Step to get a job. Step number 1 is like this post, second is share this post, and third is simply comment done. If done, and here is the job link. If you guys can see, in this way we can viral our post, and I'm going to show you how we can viral our post. Okay, you guys just simply click post. So you guys can see once our post is done, here is the link. If anybody clicks this, they directly go to this sales page or whatever you call it. Okay, now one step is really important. You guys can see 3 dots, click this, and you guys can see save link. Click this. Okay, and click done. Once you did this, then you guys directly go to saved and you guys can see the share button. Click this, and here is our link which we need. In a second I'm going to show you why we need this link. Okay, so step number 4 is we go to this website. Is called likeforlike.org. So hundreds of thousands of people came to this website to promote their social media stuff. Okay, so there is a 3 options. First of all, you guys must go and register your account. So this is very easy: username, password, email. Okay, so I have an account. I'm gonna simply go and log in. So once you logged in, you guys just see very similar page, but you guys can see these options. Okay, so here is the option social media exchange. So first of all, there's a lot of options. So first of all, I'm going like in Facebook likes. Click this, and first of all we need these credits. Okay, these credits is really important. I'm going to show you why we need these credits, but before I'm going to show you how you guys can get these credits, you guys just simply, here is the survey. You guys just simply click like, and here is the Facebook page will open for you, and you guys just simply unlike this and again liked this and simply cross this, and you guys can see click confirm. Right now it shows a report, but if you click this, then you guys simply see 2 cents. I'm going to show you one more time, and you guys can simply unlike this and again like this and confirm the button. You guys get 2 credits. I don't know what happened right now. I'm going to do one more time for you guys, but you guys must use this method. You guys just see this is liked already. I'm just unlike this, and again I'm going to click liked and cross this, and I'm gonna confirm. And if you click confirm, they will give you, like you guys can see, 3 credits. I got 3 credits, 32 from 35. In this way you guys literally increase your credits, and I'm gonna show you why we need these credits. You guys can see, simply click this, and we need shares. If you want to add your Facebook page or YouTube channel, or like YouTube, TikTok videos, Pinterest, SoundCloud, there's a lot of social media. People came to this website for gaining views, comments, subscribers, like a lot of stuff. But right now we need Facebook shares. We simply click settings, shares, settings, and scroll down. And here we need our Facebook URL. We need our Facebook post URL. You guys just simply go back, and you guys can see here is the URL which we need. We just simply copy all this, and we go back and simply paste it here. And now in this way what will happen? So I'm going with like credits 18. I'm going with like 3 or 4 credits, so 3 credits. So if I'm gonna click submit, now if anybody wants to get earn credits, they share my post, and in this way I am start viral, because everybody share my post. A lot of people are seeing my post. In this way, if anybody clicks this, we are getting 59 cents in every email or every survey. And to be honest, in this way you guys can make a lot of money, because you guys simply need traffic. For traffic you need credit. But okay, if I click submit, I'm gonna add one more URL for so you guys can see that this link is not working. Then I'm gonna short this link through bit.ly, and I'm gonna add my bit.ly link and just simply click add URL. So once your post is go enable, then you guys can see you guys can increase the limits of credits. And you guys can also edit the targeting. Click edit, and for example, if you want to run your this campaign, we call it only in, for example, United States or United Kingdom, or where is the United States, here is, you guys just simply click this and simply save this, and in this way your post will be shared only on United States. Okay, and you guys simply pay 3 credits in every single share. Okay, but to be honest, in the beginning you guys must go with like at least first you guys must get at least 2000 credits, then you guys must start this strategies. Okay, you guys can also buy the credits, but to be honest, I am not recommended to buy any of these credits. Make sure you guys must earn these credits through like YouTube videos, subscribe videos, comment YouTube videos, and you guys easily start getting credits. Okay, and how much money you guys can make? You can make a lot of money with this. So estimate earning for you guys. So for example, if you guys get 1000 shares with this method and you guys get 10,000 views through those 1000 shares, right? And in 10,000 people, only 1,000 people take surveys or submit emails. It means you guys can get, like for example, average CPA offer gives you like 0.59 cents, and 1,000 people take this survey. It means 1,000 multiplied by 59 cents is equal to $590. You guys can easily make every single day with this method, but you guys need a lot of credits for these kind of shares and views. Okay,